Hey everyone, this is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes in Bryan. I'm currently in one of our new homes that we have here at the Model Center. This house is called the Rancho. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's out of our Austin factory. Now, when we have a new house, we're talking about it is a promo house with promo pricing. But we'll get to that later. Let's talk a little bit about the house. Now, you've seen in our ads from time to time that you see a hashtag that talks about more home for your money. What does that really mean? In this particular house, let's take a look at that. When you walk into the house, you have a full-size open concept living area. In your living room, you can put a complete living room set without having to step over each other. Now, and to go along with that, you have an electric fireplace and complete with the mantle where you can put your full-size TV in. As you venture over into the dining room area and the kitchen area, I can't talk enough about it. For starters, in your dining room, you can put a complete full-size dining room table, plenty of room to spare. As you get into the kitchen, this is a gorgeous kitchen with a full-size island, complete with ceramic tile backsplash to go around it. Standard in the house, soft close cabinets and drawers. And that's not just in the kitchen, that's throughout the whole entire house. But the beautiful part about this house, it's a hidden pantry. It's something that is a first here at Palm Harbor Homes. When you go into that pantry, it's just, as you can see in the video, in the pictures, it's just a beautiful thing. It is something that is going to wow your family and then all your friends and family that come and visit you, or during celebrations, during Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever it may be. As you venture over into the utility room, you've got an area complete with the folding table and then also a full deep-size sink right next to where the area where you can put your full-size washer and dryer. You go into the secondary bedrooms and bathroom, 2 full-size bedrooms. You can definitely fit what you need, and even one of them you can definitely fit a queen-size bed in them. You venture over into the master bedroom, huge-size master bedroom. We're talking about something that can definitely fit a king-size bedroom set. To go along with that, you also have your walk-in closet, and then you venture over into the master bathroom, complete with dual sinks, a vanity with the full-size mirror, and then a beautiful walk-in shower, ceramic tile with that rainforest style shower head. In addition to the things that I just talked about, there's a lot of things in this house that are standard for this house that are upgrades for anything else. For example, the utility room, that sink, that is something that is standard for this house. Everything that you saw in that hidden pantry, the built-in shelving, coffee bar, the freezer, all of that stuff is standard in this house. And on the outside, traditionally shingled roof. For this house, standard metal roof. The things that I just mentioned right now, the savings on those things alone are $10,000. That is a huge savings just right off the bat. Now, if you remember on the previous video talking about the Homeland and the Cafco home, on those promo houses being extended through the rest of this month, on those houses, we're talking about a savings of $10,000 to $15,000, respectively, on those 2 particular houses. Now, we're already saving $10,000 on those things that I just mentioned. On top of that, we're having a savings on the house just because of special promo pricing. We're talking about savings of $30,000 when you combine everything together. That is an amazing deal. If you would like more information about this home or to schedule your appointment, you can just message below or through Messenger, or even click on the link that is attached to this post. And when you do request information about this particular home on our website, be sure to mention this ad, so that way we can make sure that we're properly taking care of you. Again, the El Rancho, it is a beautiful home. I'd love to have you come in and tour with me about this house, talk more about it. And on top of that, save you some money, so that way you can get more home for your money. Again, this is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes of Bryan. Look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to seeing you, and you have a fantastic day.